This here is a magic trick. Now you got 3 coins, then 5, then a lot of coins. But as you can see, there are no coins except for here. It's a mirror trick. And now we are going to be doing art activities. Activity 1, drawing and painting. Create a self-portrait. This is in case you want to read it. First, we draw a circle. Then, we make a line. Then we add 2 half ovals on the lines. And then we do the exact same thing at the bottom. Then we make a lower line, and this is optional. If you do not want to make the nose, I'm not telling you to make it. If you're copying this, you make the nose. I try my best. I'm not good at making noses. And then you make the mouth. These are the lips. Now, you erase the lines, the guiding lines. Erase the guiding lines. But in case you stopped, they're still kind of visible, but not 100% visible. Then this depends if you're a girl or a boy. I mean, you can draw if you're a boy too. You can draw small eyelids or big eyelids.
Eyelashes.
Eyelashes. I'm going to make this half girl, half boy, like this. On this side you can put makeup. On this side, if you want, you can't put makeup. You don't need to cut it in half. It just depends which one you want to make. Then we erase off all the lines. There's still these marks on it. That's what the eraser does. It leaves these marks on it.
And then you could add some hair maybe, Victor.
Yeah. I cannot do the lips because I'll break the lips, and so I will do those. It depends how you want to make it. If you want to make it look like a creep with just a monster, you can make it look like a monster. If you want to make it look like yourself, make it look like yourself. On this side it's boy hair, and on this side it's girl hair. So, I am right now trying my best because I'm not good at drawing. I would be erasing off these lines too. And this is kind of a tutorial how to make one. Mine is half boy, half girl with its eyes closed.
Okay, and what did we use? What do you need the mirror for, Victor?
We needed the mirror to show our face. But if you're not good at drawing,
you can practice.
Yeah. And if you cannot draw in detail how you look, you just practice till you do it. Because the phrase is, practice makes perfect.
Thank you very much for today's art picture. Goodbye, Victor.
Bye-bye.
Bye.